Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest crocheting a pumpkin can be a fun and festive project, especially for fall or Halloween decoration. Here are a basic pattern to get you started. Watch weight or orange yarn crochet hooks suitable for your yarns yarn and small amount for green yarn for the stem and different latest yarn needle and latest ideas pumpkin. Start with a magic ring, adjustable ring and crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Pull the ring tight and the second round crochet to see into each of the 6 stitches for ideas. So I hope you liked it. uh, Guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. So here are some ideas related to crochet pattern.